What if everything which you dream of comes true? What if every single target you achieve? What if all the goals are cleared? What if every single thing which you believe in comes true? Remember this one thing: time changes, time flies. You won't even memorize what happened yesterday, and the day will come. And believe this one thing, believe in this one thing, that dreams turns into reality every single day if you work hard for it. People have did it. A lot of people have did it. I have shared many a times stories of people who have done it. So if you dream about something, that dream, the day it will come true. If you dream about something and the day that dream will come true, you will be the happiest person in the world. And that day, let me tell you this one thing also, that day you will not stop. That day you will start. That day you will tell this one line to yourself, that I just have began. I have started right now. It is just the beginning. The day when you will achieve all your dreams, and the day when you will become that wealthy, that rich, that free, that free, financially free. That day you will tell this one thing to yourself, that I have just began right now. I have just started. You will complete. Remember this, just imagine this one thing, that how happy your whole family will be, how happy you will be, how happy your friends will be, how happy your relatives will be, how happy all the closest people of yours will be. The day your dream will come true, the day you will become financially free, the day you will achieve all that freedom which you always wanted to be. The day you will be able to purchase any single thing which comes in your mind. Any single thing which comes into your mind, you are able to purchase that thing. How happy the entire generation will be. How happy your upcoming generations will be. How happy their dreams will be completed by default. You tell this one thing to yourself. And that day will come for sure. If you do the hard work, if you do the hustle, if you follow your passion, if you follow your interest. This is very simple path. The journey is going to be the roller coaster. The journey is going to be the roller coaster, but the path is very simple. You find out the stream which you love, the stream which you wake up in the morning and you think that, yes, I want to do this. I'm happy that I'm doing this. You find that one stream. That stream can be anything. I can show you many things, like this solar panel, like this paint on the walls, like this yoga mat, or like this bulb, like this moda, like this sleepers. I can show you a lot of things. People have built this, and for building this, people have took money. So there are millions of streams in which you can earn money. It's not just about Python. It's not just about front-end development. It's not just about irrigation. It's not just about painting. It's not just about dancing, speaking, or if you think that person is very successful doing that, and I will do that and I'll become successful, that's true. That is true. But what if that stream is not making you happy? So you choose something which makes you happy, which makes you feel like, I want to do this every single day of my life. Find that particular stream. Once you find that stream, by testing out every single stream. There is no direct path or a book which will tell you that, okay, this is your stream. There is no book like that. You have to test it out. You have to test all the possible streams which you think, which you love. You test it out. You see if it can be done by you every single day. And if you can do it, then congratulations, you have found that stream. And then you just have to, by default, you will be able to put in all the hustle, all the hard work behind that stream, because you love that stream, because you love that work. That's very simple path. You find that stream, you put in the hard work, you put in the hustle, you become better than every single person in that stream, and you charge people, you help people, and you charge people. You give more than you take. You give more than you take. And then that's how you achieve success in life. That's very simple path. But that's going to be a roller coaster. You will see sadness, you will see heavy days, you will see sad days, you will see a lot of bad days. You won't be able to earn money, but one day, just imagine this one thing, that one day when it will all come true, when all the dreams will come true, how happy everybody else will be. How happy they will be. I hope you understand what I'm saying. It's very simple. So have a dream, convert that dream into reality, and work a lot hard for it, and never stop. Remember this one thing. Make yourself believe that how you would feel if somebody one day somebody will look at you and believe that I want to be like this person. Let me repeat that thing. Someday somebody will look at you and believe that I want to be like this person. Make this your entire thing. Make this your entire thing. People are looking at you. The entire people are looking at you and believing that I want to be like this person. Become that person. Become that kind of personality that people want to be like. People will look at you wearing a 3-piece suit. People will look at you speaking something very good, something very inspirational, something very motivational. People will look at your success and people will look at your success and people will believe that I want to be like this person. Become that person. How incredibly huge reason I have given to you. Just make this your reason in life. Keep working hard. I hope you got all the points which I shared in this video. I hope you got instilled with all the positive and inspirational values today. And stay joined to this channel. I share every single day some motivational positive values every single day, which I want to instill in your heart. So you also start working hard and you also become successful in life. I don't charge anything from you. Just listen to my words and you will understand everything which I'm saying, and you will feel that thing in reality, and you will start the hard work to achieve that dream in life. Let's do it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep working hard, have patience, keep up the discipline, keep up the consistency, and you will succeed ultimately one day. Keep working hard. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.